Hello guys, Colorblind Cuba here. I'm going to do an unboxing. Sorry I don't have my setup. I'm downstairs at the pool table. So let's just get right into it. I'm going to be unboxing cubes from speedcube.us. Get right into it. Okay, there's a receipt. Looks like they didn't send me a business card, which I was hoping they would. But it's from speedcube.us. Check them out. Really good place to order from. What I got is the this one here. We'll jump right into it. This one is the Shengshou 4x4. I got white. Oh wow. That's weird. That coming out of the box like that, that's weird. The shades, I mean, I'm liking the shades. They're not too bad. This thing is really fast out of the box. Corner cutting is, it's not, no. About right there. Reverse corner cutting, no. Well, I mean, it's not too bad. Sticker's coming off a little bit. That's weird. I'm gonna have to fix that. I don't really want to get into it right now, but I will. Wait a second. Okay. Oh god, turning on this isn't all that good either. I mean, I guess this is something I'm going to have to get used to. It's still new, so. Yeah, it's kind of blocky. I like this one, but then again I don't. It probably won't be my main 4x4, as right now my main 4x4 is a Gansu. I'll probably have to mess with the tensions. It probably could use lube due to all the springing noises. And it's really blocky. I mean, it's not too loose, so. So there's that. I just had to get the white one to add to the collection. The next one I got, I was really looking forward to this. I believe it is the Yushin Blue 4x4. Let's get into that. First thing, I mean, sticker shades are not too bad. Ooh, it's really sandy type. I like how it feels in my hand though. It's really sandy. Oh wow, I like that. I was really hoping to get the stickerless version, but oh, that's loose. Might have to tighten that up a little bit. I don't know yet. I like how it feels. It definitely needs lube. It's a sandy type feel, kind of crunchy. Turning, middle layers don't do too bad. Outside layers are amazing. It's almost wants to do 180. Oh, that wasn't too good. But it's actually pretty nice. I like it. I definitely can't wait to get the stickerless version, which will be happening. When, I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna have to tighten that. I mean, it's stable though. See how corner cut. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Wow. That's amazing. Ooh, reverse. It's not happening. The whole thing's almost wanting to pop. But I'll probably tighten up the tensions and everything. I like how it feels in my hand though. I really like this, so hopefully it'll become my main soon. But like I said, right now my main 4x4 is a Guangzhou. So that's that for now. I'll be back with you guys. Once again, I'm sorry for not being at my setup or anything. I'm in the basement, so it's not too nice down here. I'm using the pool table. Size comparison on these, the Shengshao is just a little bit bigger, not too much. It's just a little bit bigger. Between the two, I want to say they're about the same. Yeah, the Shengshao is a little bit, has a lot of lockups in the middle layers. Let's try the outer layers. Ooh, that's horrible. I don't like it. Definitely gonna lube it up and mess around with the tensions on these, and then I'll probably post another video on them. Look at that. Probably post another video on them once I get them all fixed up to my likings. So there's that one. I just messed up on that. But that's about it for this video, so I hope you guys like the videos. Please stay tuned. I'm trying the hardest I can to keep up on videos and new cubes and everything. If you would, please go follow my Instagram. It's the same as my YouTube, Colorblind Cuber. I post a lot more on Instagram than I do YouTube. So that's it for this video. New cubes. Like I said, stay tuned and I will post more videos. Thanks again. Have a nice day.